In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the serp belt tensioner in the engine compartment located behind the right front fender well. So we're going to remove the tire, 21mm socket. Take your lug nuts off. So we're going to take this part of the fender well out, and it's push pins. There's one here, one there, two down below. So we'll start with this side first. I use a trim tool, just pull that clip out. Same on this one. Now we're going to raise the vehicle up. So now with the vehicle raised up, follow that shield down. You'll have another clip here and one here. And we'll remove those. It gives you pretty good access to the serp belt and tensioner. Take the plastic down. So we're going to put a 14mm. I have an actual serp belt tool. You can use a ratchet or a wrench if you can get it in there, but a 14mm socket style. Put tension on that tensioner, tension clockwise. Then you can grab that belt and slide it off. Take the belt right down and right out of the way. Now with the belt off, we're going to put a 12mm wrench or a ratchet if you can get in there and break this mounting bolt for that tensioner free. There we go, bring it down. So now we're going to put our new tensioner up in with the bolt already in it. So it's just easier to get it centered. You'll see it has that little pin on it, so you want to center the bolt into the threaded area. Get that started by hand. And then you can feel that tensioner sit right in that spot. That pin goes right in. And that's what you're looking for. I recommend going as far down as you can, tighten it by hand as much as possible. And then we're gonna 12mm ratchet, wrench, or whatever you're using, it's 12mm. Let's snug it up before we torque it. All right, now it's bottomed out. Let's go get the torque specs. So from the top, I can get to the actual center bolt to torque it. And the torque on that center bolt of that tensioner is 15 foot-pounds. 12mm attachment, and we will torque it. Okay, so now I'm going to put the belt back on, and I'm going to go from below. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to try to go around the water pump pulley. And then bring it around the AC compressor. So I want the smooth part of the belt on the pulley, the water pump, then the AC compressor. Then I'm going to bring it up around the motor balancer. Or the crank pulley. Make sure it seats all the way in the grooves because it's pretty at an angle down there. You don't want it to hang up on anything. You get all the slack out of it. Perfect. So get the belt on the other side of the bottom of the tensioner, and then take your tensioner, your tool, 14mm. I'm going to go to the top. Let's push that back as far as it can go. Then with your other hand, grab the belt, bring it down over that tensioner, like so. Make sure all the belt is lined up on every pulley. Looks good. Release the tension. So now we can put our shield in, the fender well shield. And so it goes in the front first, up like this. You can see those two holes right there, so we gotta line it up. There we go. Take one of the push pins, line it up, lock it in. Take the other one and do the same to the front. Line it up, push it in, and now we have two more down below. Line it up, push the pin in, and then the last one is the back one. Line that up, push it in. Now we're all set to put our wheel back on. Grab the lug nuts, put them on by hand. With a 21mm socket, we're going to snug them up. Go in a crisscross pattern. The torque specs is 76 foot-pounds. We're going to do it in a star pattern. Double check. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.